Welcome guys. Today I'm taking you back to Jamaica, to Montego Bay, to Main Street Shopping Village in Rose Hall, and we really buckled up the day when we went there because there was no cruise ship, no truck, no bus, no nothing. So it was just literally me, my daughter, my son, and just a few people like vendors and so on in the whole shopping village. So we got to really prip sit, and see what was going on in there, the lovely shops and everything. So I show you guys in the video. And at the end of this video, stay tuned because there's a little treat. If you lived in Jamaica or lived there, or if you have ever visited, and there's a certain sound that happens at night time, and I have it on the video for you. So don't miss that, right? And make sure, if you haven't, subscribe to the video, share this with your friends. And there's a lot of videos to watch, so if you feel like binging on some Jamaican footage or just stories about Jamaica, memories or traditions, then check out Country White Jamaican channel and just browse through them. There's like maybe 63 videos or something like that in there. So have fun and welcome to the channel if you're new, and a big up if you've been watching and supporting all along. Bless up. So enjoy this trip through the shopping village, and don't forget to check out the song at the end. Okay, one love guys. Hi guys, so today I am sadly having to take my daughter to the airport. She's had a great time with us here, and I guess it's time for her to go back home now, but I know it won't be long before we see each other again, so it's not too sad for me today. And in my travels to get her stuff that she wanted to take back, we went to Progressive in Montego Bay, and I saw something that just suddenly just brought back memories, and I had to have it, right? And what it is cornbread and cheese. Okay, this is 260 Jamaican dollars, and this is just nostalgic to me. I'm sure some of you have had this. This is so soft, guys, like you can see, and I'm gonna enjoy this to the max. And I got to Bustamante backbone, which I'm going to show you in another video soon, because I'm heading out on the road now to get my daughter to the airport. One love. So guys, here we are at Main Street Shopping Center, like it's a village, right by Rose Hall, and we've lucked out today because we're here and there's like nobody else here. It's ridiculous. I guess it's just timing, but all kinds of shops. There's even a Scotchies here, Devon House ice cream, and lots of lovely spots to pick up your souvenirs. And there's Devon House ice cream right here. I don't know if you guys know this, but Devon House ice cream in Jamaica is ranked 4th in the world by National Geographic. And the kids had some last night. They had rum and raisin, and they had coffee and coconut. It was so good. And here you go, all the different musicians. So cool. It's a really hot day. And look, here's Scotchies. And look at that mill in the background, the water mill. And there's Scotchies. It's all here, guys. And look at this.
Let's take a picture with me.
Yes.
That's what it says.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, take
Take pic here.
Yeah.
It's great. Scotch's authentic jerk. And what a day. There's not a cloud. Well, there are clouds, but it's a beautiful blue sky. There's just so much to see here. I can imagine it must get really crowded when there's like a cruise ship coming through, but the shops are gorgeous. Look at them, look at this. So lovely. Ah, and there's Jess. What a great picture.
Yeah, man, I'm from Canada. I'm working at a seem to in that thing that I'm a sister. Okay. Yeah, man. You have something on your mouth here, man.
Hi guys, so I just want to record the night sounds of the tree frogs and the crickets and see if you can hear them. I really hope it works out because I'm loving listening to this. So I'm gonna shut this off and listen to it and see if I can share this with you guys. So hey, wasn't that the greatest sound? I just love that nighttime sound in Jamaica. And that video, I couldn't believe it. I just stuck the camera to the window of where I was, and the sounds were so intense. I was like, I have to share this. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the trip to the shopping village and you have a new place where you can shop. And I was there randomly, went into one of the shops, and I booked up Mr. Takarani, whose kids went to school with my kids in Ochi, and their family had moved to Montego Bay, and was in there trying to buy a souvenir to take back for my girlfriend, my daughter and her boyfriend. And by the time we done talk and reminisce and talk about the kids at school and everything, he wouldn't even let me pay. So that was really sweet of him. Thank you, Mr. Takarani. And you must visit his store when you go to the village. So just ask for Mr. Takarani's store, because memory can't remember the name, so I don't want to leave him out. So anyway, well, help out one another, right? That's how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and one love. See you on the next one.